everyone, Bobby Thomas here, coming to you from my bathroom. I'm here because I want to share a love letter to Tineco for their MODA 1 hair dryer. I have talked about beauty products for a long, long time. This magical tool gives me time back and makes my hair healthier. It auto-adjusts and it has an LED loop that turns red when it senses moisture, so that you know to apply the heat, and then blue when it's cool and you should move on. Hence, helps you to save time, but also damage. I love that I can rely on the sensor and the instant feedback so that I'm not adding too much heat to the same section over and over, which generally causes a dry scalp and can really burn out your ends. Millions and millions of ions, more than most dryers out there claiming to be the best. And let me tell you why that's important. Because it's great for the health of your scalp and it gives you a static-free finish with loads of shine. And considering that we wear our hair 365 days a year, it's worth the investment. I hope that you get a chance to try it and let us know what you think. But until then, think about what you can do with all that extra time.
Introducing the IONIC Powerlight Pro Dryer, the lightest and most powerful dryer ever. The Cool Shot button locks styles in place. Dual variable heat settings allow for maximum versatility when drying hair. The hang ring allows for simple storage. The easy removable filter keeps your dryer free of debris such as hair. The removable nozzle and nano-ionic conditioning beads provide increased conditioning and hydration while reducing drying time. Increase the conditioning effect on the hair and reduce your styling time by using the BioIonic paddle brush.
The perfect blowout is a look that every woman can and should master. As a celebrity and session stylist, my dryer is my most important tool. The Featherweight Luxe 2i is essential because it dries unbelievably fast and gives hair an incredible, healthy sheen. Not only does it style quickly, but it seals the cuticle. Your perfect blowout will last for days. Start with freshly washed, detangled hair. This look also works on dry hair if you want to revive a second day hairstyle. Apply volumizing spray starting 2 to 3 inches down from the roots all the way to the ends. Don't focus too much at the root. For this style, you want movement at the roots. Using your Featherweight Luxe 2i dryer, with your fingers, rough dry your hair lifting at the root as you go. Continue until your hair is 85% dry. Now section your hair. Starting at the temple, make a diagonal section down toward the nape of the neck. Pin the top part of your hair back and away. Then separate remaining hair into 2 sections. Now it's time to style. Using your 2.5-inch anti-gravity barrel brush, brush through the hair once. Then begin at the roots with the dryer pointed down over the top of the hair. The downward airflow will seal the cuticle. Slowly move the brush down the hair section toward the ends. Now roll your hair up around the brush like a roller until you reach the root. This brush is tourmaline and ceramic infused, which will smooth your hair and give it a flawless sheen. Gently remove the brush from your hair and roll your hair around your index and middle fingers to create a loose pin curl. Secure the pin curl to your head with a small clip. Continue this process of sectioning and styling, pinning each section until your whole head is done. Once your hair has cooled completely, gently release the pins. Finish by blending the sections with either a brush or your hands. For a textured, natural look, rake your hands through your hair. For a more polished, glamorous look, use a paddle brush and gently brush out the hair in large sections from roots to ends. This will give your hair a beautiful, modern, lived-in texture.